Hello, Namaskar, Bonjour, Salam to everyone watching out my vlog.
Kerala Kathakali. So yeah, we have got this, and this is God Meenakshi. South Indian taste. The temple belongs to God Meenakshi, Goddess Meenakshi, which is an incarnation of Goddess Parvati. This is Jigar Thanda. How's the taste? So, what is it? Shopping sari for my mom right now. Trying out sugarcane juice. Inside the temple there are many ancient monuments kept preserved very well. There is a museum. From that pillars you can hear some musical sound. Pizza in railways. We are fucked up. Why?
Because you overslept.
Hello, Namaskar, Bonjour, Salam to everyone watching out my vlog. And right now I am at Meenakshi temple, near Meenakshi temple in Madurai, and I am here to visit Madurai, one-day trip. And here we are. This is Meenakshi temple. I think there's a construction going on. Maybe they are coloring all the statues and outside of the temple. And yeah, it is a sunny day, maybe 40 to 42 degrees, pretty hot. There's one more there, maybe all of them. There are 4, I guess, and they are doing some construction on it. Architectural wise, you have 1000 pillars wall inside the temple, and there is a wall or a pillar where you can hear out musical pillars. And it was built in 6th century AD, which means somewhere around 2000 years old, and it has Dravidian style architecture, pretty much beautiful from inside, but I cannot show you from inside because cameras are not allowed inside. But I will try to do some videos from my mobile so we can have some videos of the inside structure, and we can travel around Madurai. Let's watch what's in Madurai. And this is a small temple near my location. I don't know which temple it is, but I feel it is little crowded. Looks pretty good from the top, huh? So yeah, let's go travel Madurai. Guys, now I'm at a local shop drinking the world famous, not the world famous, drinking the Madurai's famous Jigar Thanda. Jigar Thanda, local shop. I don't know what is it, Jigar Thanda. Let's try. This is Jigar Thanda. How's the taste?
So,
What is it?
huh?
What is it?
It's good.
Sweet. Something? Mm. What do you feel? Any fruit? Something like that?
It's like Faluda.
Ah, Madurai's Faluda. I will try. So guys, we've done with drinking Jigar Thanda. It felt very good. I think it is a mixture of milk, little bit of ruafza and apple. It is cold, so it feels better in this heat. Right now it is 40 to 45 degrees, somewhere around it in Madurai. And you have West Gate here from where we entered the temple. It was good, it was pretty well. And you have many architectural stuff inside. It is so much beautiful. Camera was not allowed, not even mobile, so it was difficult to shoot anything inside, but it is worth it. I felt it worth it because everything belongs to 6th century and onwards, and it was so wonderful to watch it. Actually, there is 2-3 options in it. Like, you have a free entry, you have 50 rupees ticket, which is little fast, and you have an extreme fast ticket which is 100 rupees. So in 1 hour you can do everything. But there is a museum inside for all the artifacts. For that you have to pay 5 rupees per person, and for foreigners who are not from India, they have to pay 50 rupees. So that's the deal. But yeah, it is totally worth it. You can go watch everything historical, so much beautiful. Roadblock. There is some marriage. Oh my god, look at him. I cannot. There is no way. Let me try. Okay. It's difficult. Some inauguration stuff going on here. And the thing is that you can do a marriage inside the temple there. So it is good that you get all the blessings of God Meenakshi. The temple belongs to God Meenakshi, goddess Meenakshi, which is an incarnation of goddess Parvati. Such a big shop. Shopping sari for my mom right now. There's a variety now, big variety. She has given some colors. Trying out sugarcane juice. Done with the checkout, and now we are just roaming around Madurai, and this is the street where in 10 days there is a big festival in next month, May, for 10 days, yeah, and it is related to goddess Meenakshi and god Shiva, both of them's marriage. So for 10 days there is a big festival here. They are going to celebrate. This is the biggest festival in South India, as we have said. And you see, they have started the decoration and all. And it's so much rush. And thousands of people come here to see the festival. Basically, it's a Rath Yatra of both of the god and goddess. So guys, right now I am near Meenakshi temple, and this is what you get as souvenirs. You can buy souvenirs from here better. I've bought this one. Looks pretty cool. Kerala Kathakali. So yeah, we have got this, and this is god Meenakshi. Great. So you can buy things from here. Inside the temple there are many ancient monuments kept preserved very well. There is a museum, there is 1000 pillars inside, and a few pillars with musical notes. So if you can see them, no one can touch it now, so it is just for display, but from that pillars you can hear some musical sound. And this is surrounding of the temple, and we are going towards, I guess, East Gate. Which gate is it? East Gate? Somewhere around East Gate. So there are 4 gates.
South Gate.
South, North, East, West, and this is what it is around the temple. Full of Indian guys. Food time, guys. Now I'm trying parotha and aloo ki sabji, potato and parotha in a green leaf. Pretty good South Indian taste. So guys, that's the end of the video, and there was not much to show in Madurai because I was not able to shoot anything inside the temple. So I did just vlogs outside the temple, like the local stuff and all. I'm traveling to Kochi. Yeah, from Madurai to Kochi through Amrita Express, and I'm as always sitting on the top tier, the top seat. You have 6 people in this area, 2 people seat in that area. This is how Indian Railway is for sleeper class. This is AC, okay, air conditioned, and railway gives us a pillow, a sheet and a blanket. So if you are cold, you can use that. See, and you get all the things, chai, tea, pani, water, everything, food in railway. Everything is available inside railway. So there is no stress, no tension about food and water or anything else. You have everything. You have toilets, you have everything inside the railway system. So this journey is going to be somewhere around 8 hours. I'll be reaching to Kochi in the night at 10. So yeah, that's it I guess. And maybe I'll show you my room tour or something like that. This one, Madurai, had a great view from my room, but there was some construction and I was not able to get a beautiful view of the temple outside of the temple, but inside it is so much beautiful. There's a lot of things to do inside the temple. You have to visit this temple, and I can say it is better than the others I visited that are more spiritual. This is more attractive, more historic and more beautiful from inside, because they have kept all the belongings from the ancient time in the temple. They have exhibited everything over there, so you can enjoy that thing just by paying 2 euros, 3 euros. That's it I guess in total. For example, like museum, the entry fee is free, but if you want an express way to go inside the temple to avoid the rush, you have to pay 100 rupees, which means 1 euro. And yeah, the museum cost somewhere around 50 rupees for a foreigner, and for an Indian guy it is 5 rupees I guess. So for an foreigner it is 50 cents, for an Indian it is 5 rupees, which is equivalent to 50 cents. So yeah, that is the thing. But you have to go there and you have to try the drink was Jigar Thanda. Yeah, that is the best one in Madurai, special from Madurai. I felt that it had apple, milk and ice cream. Samosa. The guy is selling samosas. So food is there, everything is there. I'm full right now because I've had my lunch right now, so I am not going to eat now. But yeah, maybe after some time we will order a pizza or something like that. You can do it in the train, in railways. You can order a pizza from Domino's. So maybe we'll try it. Maybe we'll try to order something special which is not available locally in Europe inside the trains. So that could be a new thing. Till now, okay, I'm going to get some sleep. And yeah, this is how it looks, the train compartment. This is AC compartment. There's some kids playing over there. Yeah, this is how it is. This is how the setup is. Until then, see you. Bye bye. So now it's the time to taste the best samosa. Good. 30 rupees. 30 rupees is how much? 30 cents. 30 cents in euros, and somewhere around that 40 cents in dollars. So it's pretty good. 2 samosas with some sauce, some ketchup. It's good. And now I'm at the bottom level, enjoying the view of Tamil Nadu.
After samosa, it's coffee time, guys. Okay. 10 cents. 10 rupees. Guys, as I told you, now you can eat pizza in railways. I've got drink as well. It's 10:30. Everyone's sleeping. That's why I'm not speaking in loud. See, the news is we are fucked up. Why?
Because you overslept.
You,
Not me. I was awake.
after eating tons of pizzas, he slept
Acha.
and we missed our station.
I slept or you slept?
Both. And now we are staying or waiting for our next train, which is in the morning at 5:30 at Kottayam, and then we will take that train to Kochi, Ernakulam. So yeah, we have to stay. This is not my first time staying on a train station
So that.
overnight.
So you have the habit of oversleep.
Yeah, I have the habit of staying here on the stations. Last time I was in Hallstatt, they cancelled my train and I have to stay overnight, the whole night on the station with one another guy. But here you have a lot of people around me and it's like a big station. So it's pretty well, better than Hallstatt. Let's wait now. More 4 hours to go.